Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. I wanted to share with you a cool build that I did. I bought it from MCV Products. It's the 4-turbine pulling tractor, and this thing was wild. I saw it and I had to have it, so I ordered it. I even took it to our last model club meeting, Military Modelers Club of Louisville, and it blew their mind. I was a little surprised that these military guys really like this pulling tractor. So with that said, I thought, well, I might as well do a video and share it with you guys because I think you guys would really enjoy it too. So let me get the camera turned around. I'll show you how it came packaged. It came packaged very well. And I'll show you a few progress pics and how I built it and why I think if you get one, I think you'll be happy with it too. There's a box within a box. So it's very well packed. Here's the other box, and I'm assuming this is what the pulling tractor's in. I slid it open just to make sure there were no other small parts in there, and there wasn't. And this is all the farther I've gotten. So this is just as new to me as it is to you guys. I'm super excited about this. And this is how the pulling tractor is going to come to you guys. The other pulling tractors that I ordered several years ago did not come like this. They just came all in a bag just with parts. I was a little disappointed, to be honest with you. So I'm going to pull everything out. This is what we got. I'm telling you guys, this is a good price on this thing. And I am going to also get close-up detail pictures of this. As well. But definitely go on to his website, MCV Products, and you will see all the pulling tractors. And then you got the frame. Alright, so that's everything that's in the box. Okay. That's all. That looks very good. And again, I'll put some close-up pictures also of this stuff. But looking very good. Very good so far. Here's your tires and wheels. I'll get a close-up picture of these also. And I'll get everything out of the bag. And we will look at them all up close so you can see what's going on instead of looking at my hands. Okay, I got a few things unbagged. I'm still going to shoot pictures and show you close-up detail. I wanted to show you what I got unbagged.
There's
right
MCV
now.
Products website. Super easy website to navigate. And before I worked on any of this, I sanded everything and then shot it with that flat black Vallejo primer. There's an in progress picture. A lot of the AK markers I use and some of the AK paste. I love using that stuff too. But super easy kit to put together. Not many parts either. There I'm working on the turbines. I got the fenders already painted and cleared, tires and wheels put together. Just mocking things up as I go along. The turbines go together really simple. Again, not many parts. That's all painting. Those are like 4 pieces right there. A lot of painting, and you got it. And the turbines all go together with those pins. You cut your pins to length. And then there's holes to put the pins in. Again, all painting right there. There's the holes. Slide your pins in those holes, and everything just lines right up. Very simple. There's the pins and the holes. But super easy kit to put together. A beginner can put this together. There's all 4 turbines put together right there. Not many parts on that thing either. It's all painting. Everything goes together with pins. More pins into the unit that drives everything. And that just pins right into the turbines. And there it is. And it's ready to go into the frame. Your rear tires, make sure you get the tread pattern to go the correct way. Again, there's pins that hold those on. You can see the gold rod going through. Boom, I glued the tires on, and I like to square them up with those square bottles that sit square. That way I know the tires are square. There's the paint I used. That green Testors one coat lacquer, I love that stuff. Call it Testors One Shot. And there's a tractor done. Again, super easy tractor to build. I recommend this to anyone. It looks fantastic when done, and it blew everyone's mind at the model club. I was a little surprised. And those are a bunch of military guys too. They were really amazed when they saw this. Super easy tractor to put together, guys. Anyone can build one, not many parts. Just use your imagination, and a lot of neat painting, detail painting, and then there you go. Again, MCV Products. And also there's a Facebook page for scale pulling tractors, and they used my tractor for the banner shot. MCV Products, thanks for the pulling tractor. I love it. I'm going to order some more. Keep bringing them out.